and block out all this temptation. Made it out from trapping in Vegas. Took the rap game and embraced it. I don't want no regular paycheck. If it's all ours, will I take it? Some things in my life.
YouTube, what's up, y'all? Addict Trader FX back with another video, man. Listen, this is not a vote Inu video this time. It's an actual trader video, and it's flipping $11 to $1,000. It is possible. Not a possible I can do it every day type of thing. No. Sometimes you might get a good trade that can send you off that way, right? But you're really not really gonna be able to flip $11 to $1,000 like this man did. You know, that's being real. You know what I mean? But it is fun to see how they do that. You know what I mean? So this is Mambo FX. I actually learned a lot from him. There's some things on his app that he has, Clarity Forex. Check it out. And yeah, I just thought this might be a little fun video to watch, react to, and yeah. So let's get into the video and let's see how it goes.
$11 into $1,100 in just simply 12 hours. I'm going to be breaking down how I did it, the strategy that I used, and you're also going to see the pairs that I did this on all in one day. It's going to be insane. So buckle up, sit back, relax, get a drink, get some popcorn. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the video. Here we go. What's good, everybody, man? Welcome back to another video on the channel. If you guys are new here, hit the subscribe button. I swear to God, bro, if you watch this video all the way through and don't hit the subscribe button, God help me, please. Shit. You want good luck this week, man? You want good luck trading in general? Hit that like button. It's going to bring you good luck. It's going to help me out. It's going to be a positive for everybody. So hit that like button and let's just get into it.
Oh, yeah. Hit that like button for me too, man. And then subscribe if you're not subscribed, please. Please. Trying to just get this algorithm going so, you know, I can get my content out to people and maybe change somebody's life. You know what I mean? You never know, because I got my life got changed watching a YouTube video like this. So you just never know.
So much shit's falling out of my pockets. We're going through it. A lot of shit's going on. It's going to be an insane video. I'm going to be breaking down just insane trading yesterday. All that good stuff, man. So let's hop into it. So over the weekend, I thought to myself, you know, what's a video that can help people out, right? What's a video that can not only help people out, but people can relate to? And it hit me like, okay, a lot of people don't have hundreds of thousands of dollars to trade with. And I love showing you guys me making 30K, 40K, 50K in a trade, whatever the case may be.
No, for real. Because, you know, to be honest, I started off, when I got into crypto, it made me want to expand my knowledge on the market. And then I came across options trading, right? And so options trading, you need a little bit more to make, you know what I mean? With Forex, you don't. You can start off with, like you said, $10. On options trading, you just need a portion of money, and that could be hundreds, you know, a couple hundred, 1,000, you know, nothing drastic, you know what I mean? But a lot of people have the misconception that you gotta have a lot of money, and you really don't need to have a lot of money to trade.
But of course, that took a long time to get here. So what I want to do in this video, or what I decided over the weekend that I was gonna do, is trade a small sized account like 90% of you guys probably have, and show you that it is possible to flip a smaller account into a medium sized account, and you can actually do it fairly fast. Now the way that I do this, man, is I'm taking breakout trades, okay, 5-minute time frame only, and I'm having very tight stop losses. I actually don't use a stop loss, I just watch it, and if it actually comes to...
Okay, so he's really a scalper, all right? He's not much of a day trader or a swing trader. There's levels to this, you know what I mean? And that's why he's starting off on the 5-minute, because he's scalping. He's just in and out of trades, you know what I mean? Not like, you know, crazy like that, but I'm saying more in and out of a trade than a day trader and a swing trader for sure. So just want to throw that in there.
The point where it's okay, it's reversing on me, I'll just get out of the trade. So yeah, guys, we deposited $11, and here's where the journey went. So we started the account at $11.25, and we ended up taking 2 GBP JPY trades. Just a pretty simple breakout strategy that we used here. As you guys can see, little breakout, trend line break, and boom. We took 2 trades on here, 2 entries, because I wasn't sure how much I was going to be able to use. Could I do a 0.05? Could I do a 0.10? What is the broker going to allow me to do? And by the way, for you guys who want a just unbelievable broker, like an unbelievable broker, raw spreads, no commission costs account, right? You can get an account with no commissions, free commissions for those of you who want to grow a small account.
I got that link below. I got that link below too, man. I got that same broker you talking about. So hit that link, man. Check it out. Deposit $10. Try to flip it to $1,000. You never know.
This is big for you because you're not going to pay no commissions, right? Or you pay a little bit of commissions, the tightest spreads you will ever see. God, I literally I love this broker. The amount of money that I've made on this broker has been ridiculous, man. Click the link down below in the description box if you want to get started trading on this broker right here. And yeah, just trust me, it's going to be the best decision that you ever fucking make. Anyways, so we ended up catching the first GJ trade, and we moved on, okay? Later on that day, another GJ sell. Beautiful, just beautiful breakout pattern. It's the same thing over and over and over again. The same way I trade, the same things that I do. It's just all the same shit. Again, man, we went throughout the day. GPNZD closed, GPJPY closed. GPCAD was our big winner here. We made $343 on this trade alone. As time went on, I ended up upping the lot sizes. Okay, I started using 1 standard, and even towards the end, you're gonna see I started going up to 2 standards, just because I needed to make more money here. I wanted to flip this thing into the thousands. It wasn't gonna happen if I used smaller lot sizes. So yes, I may not have used.
Meaning he risked a lot. You know what I mean? He risked a lot to make a lot. You know, that's how it goes. To make anything, you got to risk something. You know what I mean? Not recommended, not financial advice. Oh, yeah, not financial advice, y'all. Please know that none of this is financial advice. Okay? Don't come blaming us if you lose those $10. You know what I mean? Chill. But, yeah, not recommended, really, trading. You don't ever really want to go full margin. Just for the fact that that's just dumb. Why would you want to? You want to gamble, go to the casinos. But trading, take a professional. You know what I mean? Don't, unless you are an experienced trader and you know what you're doing, you know what to look for, and you know how to control yourself. Yeah, that's on you. But not really recommended, y'all. If you're starting off trading, don't go full margin like he did. Please don't chase that, because it's not gonna work out for you.
You know, the most smart lot sizes are traded the smartest way, but I'm trading with the house's money at this point. I got $11 to my name on this account, and I'm already up to like $500. So why not use higher lot sizes and mess around trying to flip this thing even bigger? If all I can lose at the end of the day is $11, it doesn't bother me, okay? So it's a lot of mental stuff here, but you got to be able to handle that if you're going to be flipping small accounts. Again, then we got into this GBP-NZD trade, okay? For this trade, it looked like a beautiful buy breakout, little pre-breakout setup, as you guys can see. We ended up taking our buy position, and it reversed on us. Okay, we were up, I think, $90 on this trade. Looked pretty good, and then I kind of just got greedy, wanted to hold it out to like $200-300. Ended up reversing on us, and I closed for a $16 loss. Now, this is the big boy trade right here, okay? This is the trade that really put us to that $1,000 mark. I decided, okay, I really like this setup, okay? Mind you, my stop losses or my mental stop losses are very, very, very tight. I'm going to do 2 standards here. This is probably going to be like a 1-to-10 ratio trade. I know that if this hits a loss, I'll probably lose $50. If this hits a win, I'm going to make $500, okay? That's my goal. That's how I went into this trade mentally. As you guys can see, it played out perfectly. Closed the trade at $568. Just a beautiful, insane trade. And then at the end of the day, after all was said and done, we ended up withdrawing $149 with 62 cents, which left our total balance at $1,000. Okay, now,
you know, at least he's telling y'all. You know what I mean? I like that he tells y'all don't go going crazy like that, like he did, because he's risking it. You know what I mean? He's letting you know he's risking too much, and he's either going to win it or lose it. It's a 50-50, right, at that point. So
what I would like to do now is kind of show you guys a little bit of a gist of this strategy, how I use it, and kind of like a bigger picture on what I'm doing here, just so you guys aren't totally confused and just think I'm looking at breakout, whatever the case may be. There's a little bit more to it, so I'm going to show you guys on a computer right now, and let's get into the breakdown. All right, so I want to go over this trade, man, and kind of just teach you guys the strategy and how I was able to turn $11 into $1,100 in just 12 hours, okay? So realistically, there's a couple things that have to go into play first before we can take a sell or a buy, okay? First things first, we're on a 5-minute chart. Okay, looking at the 5-minute chart, we're gonna either take a buy or take a sell, depending on, what the market structure is giving us. What I mean by that is if we are in a bearish market structure, which would look like this, right? Because we have what? We have what? Lower highs, lower lows. Lower highs, I have no idea why I'm using this tool. Let's use this tool here. Lower lows, lower highs. Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Okay? That's what makes a bearish market structure. We do not want to take a buy or a sell position unless market structure is bullish or bearish, depending on what we're looking at. Again, in this case, what are we looking at? It's a bearish market structure. We have lower lows and lower highs being created frequently while trending to the downside.
I know this can get a little complicated and all that, right? But it's so important to read the charts, man. It's so much simpler than what it looks like, man. It really is. It really is.
With that being said, all we need to see now is a break of a trend line or a support/resistance. I talk about this all the time, guys. I have a free app. It's called Clarity FOREX. You guys can download it on the App Store. On this app, I talk about this all the time. I break down all my trades all the time. It's all free and it's all on there. Should definitely be on there, man, because like I said, I am always giving free content like this. Anyways, market structure is bearish, and now we have a trend line. Now, what I mean by this is, as market structure is bearish, we have a pause or a relapse in the markets to where now we're switching to the upside just momentarily, okay? As long as this does not break above these previous highs, which it did not, it created what we would call resistance here, we're good. Now, if these candles would have broken, and when I say broken, I mean such as this, right? If that would have happened, and I'll put this in replay mode to show you guys better, if that would have happened right there, then boom, now we're in bullish market structure. But because it did not break those previous highs, we are still in bearish market structure, meaning we do have that trend line that was created while still going to the downside.
I am going to get a video on support and resistance coming real soon. So stay on the lookout for that, man, for real, because that's real beneficial if you don't know how to trade or read the charts. I will be starting to put my own content out there from the basics of trading. All right, so be on the lookout.
If that trend line breaks, we're going to take our sell, and that's exactly what I did in the first trade. And boom, it broke. Take our sell position. The rest is history. Super tight stop loss, a decent take profit. This is a 1-to-4 ratio. I love 1-to-4, 1-to-5s mostly. This is it. This is a beautiful trade.
That's good, man. Look, you want to go for the more ratio. You know what I mean? The most you can get out of a trade that you're risking. You know what I mean? You want to risk more. I mean, you want to make more than what you're risking. Okay, you want to make more than what you're risking.
Hold that position tight. If this starts to reverse and go up in this area, well, then we close that trade. Literally, guys, it's that simple. We're mixing
it really is,
market
man.
structure.
It really is.
Find another example for you guys real quick. Market structure is the key. Now, here's a NASDAQ example with a buy, okay? As you guys can see, market structure overall is what? Bullish. We have a bullish market structure. Prices breaking to the upside repeatedly. We have higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, and now a higher high at that resistance zone. So we know market structure is already telling us it's a buy, right? It's a bullish position. And again, we're only on the 5-minute chart. We don't even have to leave the 5-minute chart, okay? 5-minute chart, we're looking at it. It's a bullish market structure. What do we need to see? Well, instead of a trend line break, now we can look for support or resistance breaks too. As you guys can see, man, we got that resistance right here. If price starts to break out of this resistance, well, I'm going to take my buy position and I'm going to hold for at least 1,000 pips. This is NASDAQ.
Hell yeah.
100 points / 1,000 pips. Okay? I'm going to hold that out for 1,000 pips. I'm only going to have a 20.
I'll tell you what though, man. I can't trade Nasdaq, man. I do not trade Nasdaq for some reason. I can't trade Nasdaq or US 30. US 30 and Nasdaq for me are no. It's just something about it that I have not felt comfortable trading yet. You know what I mean?
5 point slash 250 pip stop loss. Okay, as price starts to break out, I'm taking my buy position. Price came down, did not hit stop loss. It held that position. Price is already up 500 pips. Put your stops to break even, and the rest is going to always be history. Okay, very simple. Market structure, breakout pattern. Take your buy, take your sell. Stop loss just a little bit below that resistance or support you're breaking out of. Guys, it's that easy. That's how easy it is to trade. Okay, you don't need higher.
Facts. Facts. It really is kind of more simple than what you think. I know if you're studying it right now, you're probably like, or you're new to it, you're just like, damn, man, this is not going to be easy. It's not going to be easy. In the beginning, it's not going to be easy. But the more you do it, the more you do it, and the more you do it, and the more consistent you are, and the more repetitive you are, the more it clicks. And the more it clicks, and the more it clicks. So just stay on it, man. If you're learning how to trade right now, all I can say is, man, stay on it. Don't give up. Do not give up. Do not get discouraged, because I've been there. I know what it's like, and it can really take a toll on your mind. You know what I mean? But yo, listen. I don't know how this is gonna work out. This is a reaction video to that, and if you did make it this far, if you could please hit the thumbs up, hit the like button. All right. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, y'all. And if you are subscribed, hit that notification button so you can be aware of every video I drop. I'm trying to go hard, man. I really am. I'm trying to get to that 1,000 subscriber mark first, and then beyond that, so I could really and I really want to get back. You know what I mean? I want to. I learned from YouTube. I learned from him. I learned from Daniel Savage. I learned from a little bit of everybody. FX, Alex G, Lambo Raul. Shout out to all of y'all. And thank y'all. Because of y'all and all of y'all's free content, I was able to, hold on, let me show you. Actually, my mom went and brought me this earlier today, actually. All right. She framed me my certificate. I don't know if y'all can see that for my Forex funds. Let's see. Yeah. So, all right, y'all. I appreciate it, man. Thank you. Peace.